oh where has the water gone? There was water in there about an hour ago, full to the brim. Yes, the birds splashed out all the water. Hundreds of birds came in this morning, taking baths and splashing the water everywhere, so I'm gotta go fill that water up now. They're looking, oh, where's all our water? They're lucky they still have some water. But no, that needs to be filled. So let's go fill the water. The only thing I'd say with water, some people say, oh my goodness, tap water. I got news for you. They're drinking out of sprinklers and they're drinking out of the street. City water. The water's fine. If we can drink it, they can drink it. The only thing I would say is before you add water to a fountain, let it run for just a minute or so to get the water out of the hose if it was sitting overnight. And this way, in case there's any, plastic residue or anything from the hose, you'll get that out by simply letting it run. Then the running water, remember running water is supposed to be good. The running water will then be more clean as it possibly can, but at least you don't have in your fountain what was sitting all night in the hose the night before. So while you wait for that water to run out, just water some plants. See, now it's full, and I'll flush this later. I just let it run and flush out the feathers and debris that gets in there. It's actually fairly clean. There's green algae on it, which is perfectly fine, but it's clean. I flushed it last night, but the only thing is, all those birds that came in this morning, within an hour, dropped the water level. Can you imagine? Okay, that's all. It's as simple as that. Just let the hose run for just a few seconds. This hose is only 25 feet long, so I only had to let it run for a second or two, a few seconds, probably a minute, and then I filled up the fountains. Maybe I'll fill up a few more while I'm at it. I cannot see the camera, so I have no idea what you can see. This one hasn't started yet. I'll just freshen up some of the ponds. I did it last night, but boy, so many birds came in this morning. Hundreds of birds came in this morning. Over a dozen species in one spot, and then just hundreds of birds. Vigorous splashers. My goodness, they were splashing and splashing. Okay, my hose just got kinked. I thought this was a kinkless hose. Okay. That's all there is to it. Now, once in a while, I have found, see this one's not running? Just wipe your hand over it. And there it goes. Sometimes they're dusty. It depends on how much sun they're getting, but if they're dusty, all it takes is just to wipe over a solar panel. Okay, this one's not getting enough sun yet, or I guess it's just starting. This one started really good. Just wipe your hand over the solar panel if it stops. Same thing with this one. I'll have to check and see if the bucket's got... Oh, that one needs water. That one's a little bit in the shade. Oh, no, it wasn't. See? Let's go get the hose. This one's electric. This is not a solar one, but it is running low on water. See, there it goes. The birds really did a number on the water this morning because this was all filled last night. Like I said, no joke, there were hundreds and hundreds of birds. Another thing that will do a number on your water is if the bees get really thirsty and they have to cool their hives down, which right now we're not in the summer, so it's not bad. Look at that, see? Just needed water. The bees will empty out a water fountain, but this was the birds. I was sitting here with Gary, and we were watching hundreds, no joke, hundreds of birds come in to drink. And that's all you have to do. Same thing here, just dust off the panel if you find one of your solar panels not working, because this one wasn't. And bingo, there it goes. So sometimes they just get a little dusty, and sometimes they need that sweep. Once in a while, it kind of turns them on and off. I have found if you don't do that and it isn't dusty, they'll just eventually turn on their own. I need to go back there and get that broccoli to eat. Watch me break my neck on camera. Oh, that's my treat this morning for cleaning their feeders. Okay. I think it's safer in my garden in the morning. Now I'm outside listening to the coyotes, and you just saw the little clip I did this morning of the birds, and I just added in water, and I thought I'd just have you come along with me, and since I had my camera. So with that, have a great day or evening, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.